Hey folks, Watson here from Watson's Reviews, and today we're looking at an outstanding invention by Momcozy, the KleanPal Auto Baby Bottle Washer. It's going to be a real game changer, so let's check it out right about now. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty excited about this product. I've got two little ones that still use sippy cups, and a third one on the way that's going to be using a lot of bottles. And keeping all those things clean and organized is no easy task sometimes. So if you're tired of juggling bottles, brushes, worrying about sterilization, stick around because we're going to dive into the features and benefits of this amazing gadget. Nice. So the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer and Sterilizer is designed specifically to simplify your bottle cleaning routine. So it's not just a dishwasher, it's actually a 4-in-1 machine that washes, sterilizes, dries, and stores your baby bottles. So let's run through some of the features and highlights, and at the end I'll give you my thoughts. Here we go. Installation's super easy. There's just a drain pipe on the back that you attach to the back of the machine, and then you run the hose down into the sink and attach it with suction cups, or if you want to just drain it out into a bucket, you can do that too. Another nice convenient thing about the wastewater hose is that it prevents odors from building up, and there's no waste tank, so it saves time and space, and saves time on cleaning too. It'll only be up to 2.5 liters of water at a time because that's the capacity of the water tank. The water tank's super easy to refill. You can remove that and fill it up, or just take the top off like this and fill it up that way. And pro tip, it's recommended to use distilled water as it will prolong the lifespan of the machine, it'll prevent mineralization, and save you time on maintenance later on. It's also easy to clean and maintain if you happen to drop some cereal down in there or just want to do some regular routine maintenance. All the clips are removable, the base is removable, the spouts are removable. So you can set it up how you want it, clean it how you need to. Great, now that it's set up and filled up and ready to go, let's talk a little bit about washing and then take it for a test wash. There's 26 powerful spray jets. 12 of those are directional spray jets, which brush the interior of each bottle, ensuring a deep clean. And the other 14 are swirling, high-pressure spray jets. So it's cleansing the exterior surfaces, providing a thorough, spotless finish. There's 2,200 pascal of water pressure, so it'll powerfully brush away even stubborn milk residue. The design makes it universally compatible with cleaning baby bottles, teethers, traditional and wearable pump parts, and a lot more. And it can hold up to 4 regular-sized baby bottles, so most brands are going to be just fine in there. And you can put additional items on top. Just arrange everything how you see fit, put the lid on, and you're good to go. There's 9 total cleaning modes for flexible cleaning. You just use the 4 easy buttons to find the right combination for you. So you can toggle back and forth between rapid wash, which only takes 19 minutes, and you can do the rapid wash with the sterilization, the drying, and the storage. Or you can do the same thing but with normal wash, which takes 29 minutes, and then you can do normal wash with the sterilization, drying, and storage. Totally up to you. Or you can just sterilize your bottles and dry them. The machine sterilizes with natural steam, killing 99.9% of germs. And for that 72 hours of sterile storage, there's an added H13 HEPA filter, which removes 99.9% of particles from the air. So it keeps the items inside hygienic until you get to use them. It's eco-friendly cleaning, only consumes 2.5 liters of water at a time, saving you almost 90% versus hand washing and almost 95% versus a regular dishwasher. So there you go. To sum up, it's a very easy machine to use. Just load it up, pick your combination of settings, and let it do its thing. You can track the process with a quick glance at the LED display right there, or just take a peek at the translucent lid. It's kind of satisfying just to watch this thing work. It's like having a little rain shower contained inside your washer. Relaxing. It's quiet, but the sound that you do hear is a nice satisfying water washing sound, so that's cool. There's 2 rotating spray arms at the top and bottom, and 4 spray sticks directed right inside the bottles. So when you're putting the bottles in, just make sure it goes over the spray stick, and the spray can't miss. So you're going to be able to wash away milk residue, formula, juice, things like that, no problem. And I can't wait to use this for baby bottles again because it's so nice to have everything in one spot. So when you wake up in the middle of the night and you have to do a feed, you don't have to go looking around for stuff or clean something out and kind of wake yourself up. You can just do your thing, go right back to bed and not worry about anything. Very nice. So there you go. Momcozy also makes a lot of other cool products if you want to check those out too. But if you've got kids, chances are you've got bottles, and this is a great solution to keep those clean, organized, sterile, and stored. Well, there you go, folks. Keep your bottles clean, dry, sterilized, and organized, all from Momcozy. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the links below if you'd like to get one for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and all that jazz. And until next time, Watson out.
Yeah.
Yeah.